Hello guys, and today we are going to be designing this room, but we are going to be making this room lemon themed. So I can't wait to get started on that, so I guess let's go. So first I'm going to start with the bedroom, which I'm going to be putting some tiles, or maybe I should just do some plain yellowish color. Yeah, I think that looks a little nicer. Yeah, it looks a lot nicer, so I'll just do that and go into bedroom and see what we have here. Well, I guess we don't really got that much yellow beds, so I guess I'm just gonna go for this one. It looks kind of nice, and that I think I'm gonna have these wooden stuff, like wooden shell. I don't know what these are. They look cute, but so I'm also going to be putting this nice carpet. I mean, it's kind of yellow. And going to here, see if there's anything lemony. I don't see anything. So I guess I'm just going to go with what my gut says. And I think my gut says just normal shelves. I think I'm going to be putting that. And I'm also going to be putting this weird table thing, and go and see if there's any pictures that I like. And I think I don't like the honeybee, and I think I actually kind of like this bloom one. I like it. I think I actually like these stickers. They look nice. I don't know what those are, but they look nice. So I'm gonna go into living room and find some plants that I actually like. Oh, that's cute. That's a lemon. Okay, I like that, but I'm not gonna put it on here. But I am gonna put this there, or maybe there's a light for it. Is there a lemon light? Okay, I wish there was a lemon light, but there isn't. I hope there was a lemon light. I just raised my hopes up for nothing. Ugh, I can't believe I just did that for nothing. There's no lemon lights? Seriously? Not even a single one. That makes me sad. I'm probably just gonna get this thingy hanging, put that there, find a plant. Which one do I like? Which one does my gut say I like? Which one does Hannah like? Which one does my gut like? Which one do you guys think I should do? Should I just do the exact same lemon plant? No, I don't think that looks nice. Should I do, this? Or what should I do? I don't know what I'm gonna do. Why did I just get this fig tree thing? Okay, I'm not gonna do that, so I guess I have a choice between and this plant, and I'll choose this plant. So these are my two choices. I think I'm gonna do this plant. I'll put this away, and I'll put this plant on top, and see if there's anything other than this that's cute. I don't see anything, so I guess I'm just gonna move on to something else. Yellow, anything yellow. Okay, I guess we're just gonna go and just look at stuff. Okay, I guess we're finished with here, and now we're gonna go here, which is the living room, and I'm probably gonna add these two couches, or do they even fit? I don't think they do, so I'll just move that a little that way and see anything cool. Nope. All I see are plants. Why did I just throw that away? I'll put that there, and this as well. I'll also put some lemon wallpaper here. And is there anything else nice? I'll probably put a clock somewhere like that. I'll probably put a TV there. Go into the kitchen and see if there's a nice table, which I already see there. That's cute. That's kind of cute. Put those 2 chairs there. Oh wait, I don't actually think I need any chairs. But I'll go back into the living room and grab a few plants. I'll put that one there. Wait, why aren't you floating? Why are you floating? Okay, I guess it's like a flooring plant, so I can't put it up there, which that makes me kind of sad. Oh wait, I remember this plant I really wanted to add. Okay, I'm adding 2 of these, of course I am, and adding 1 more on here, and I think that's it for here. And I'm moving. Oh wait, wallpaper. I keep on forgetting. Is there anything nice? Ooh, oh, I just saw something pretty nice. Wait, where did I just go? Okay, I think it's over here. Yes, found it. It's this yellow sunshine. That's nice. Okay, but that's not what we're looking for here. I'll put this flooring. Oh, that's the same thing as that one. It's gonna brighten up my day. Maybe this. And this is the same thing again. Maybe this. Yeah, that looks nice. And this. Yeah, that looks cool. It pops out. Now we're moving on to here, which I'm gonna do a lot of changing. Okay. Going to kitchen. Okay, see a lot of stuff here that I can use. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this normal I don't know what this is, but what is it? Wait, the sink and oven. But I mean, I would use this, but as you can see, but it's kind of ginormous, so I can't really fit it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go into here. I'm also gonna add this. I'm not gonna add those chairs. I'm also gonna add these cool, nice yellow chairs. Put those there, and for food, I'm probably gonna add a loaf of bread here, and anything else for food, like for design or something, you know, like that. No, I don't see anything. Okay, honey. I like honey. I'll get that honey maker. Wait, but it's just gonna make bees come out of nowhere. So I'm not gonna be adding that, but I am gonna be adding some plates. There we are, some plates. And go ahead and grab some cups. Where are the cups? This is cute, the froggy little coffee mug, but I'm not a fan of it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this nice fork, spoon, and knife, and another knife. Where's another knife? Why won't this come? Okay, and another spoon and another fork. Okay. Where did that just glass cup come from? Grab the other one. Okay, that's enough. So I think we're finished with there. And going to toilets. Oh wait, I forgot again. Wallpaper. Okay. Doing this and this. That looks nice. Okay. And I'll go in here, which I'm gonna do this. And this. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, get this dirty mirror there. Going to here. What is this? Okay, I guess I'm adding it. Because it's kind of yellow, but this one doesn't really even have yellow. The other one. And I'm just probably going to add this crack. And I'm also going to add... Is there anything new that I haven't seen? Nope. nothing new, and I'm just gonna add that, and I'm all finished. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure you won't miss any of our new videos. And